Today we are going to be looking at the multiplication of fractions using the cancellation method. This involves finding a common factor of numerator and denominator, and then we will use that common factor to divide the numerator and the denominator to obtain new numerators and new denominators. Then you can multiply the numerator out and also the denominator out. Let's look at a series of examples right here to better understand these concepts. Here we want to multiply 2 over 9 and 3 over 8. So all you have to do is look for a common factor that can divide the numerator and the denominator. So if you take note, you realize that this is 2 right here and this is 8 right here. So 2 can divide 2, 2 can divide 8. So 2 is a common factor right there. So I can say 2 in 2 is 1, 2 in 8 is 4. Okay? If you also take note, 3 and 9, 3 can divide 3, 3 can also divide 9. That means 3 is a common factor right there. So I will say 3 in 3, 1, 3 in 9, that is 3. Okay, so if you take note, in this case, nothing can divide anymore. Then I can say 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 4 is 12. This is my final answer. Okay, let's take a look at another example right here. 1 over 4 times 2 over 7. 1 over 4 times 2 over 7. We want to look for a common factor of the numerator and denominator. 2 can divide 2. It can also divide 4. So I would say 2 in 2 is 1 and 2 in 4 is 2. Now nothing can divide anymore, right? Then I can say that 1 times 1, those are the remaining numerators, that is 1, divided by 2 times 7, that is 14. So that means my final answer is 1 over 14. Let's take a look at another example right here. Number 3. Four over 9 times 6 over 18. If you take note of this multiplication, you realize that this is 6, this is 9, this is 18, and this is 4. So this is a numerator, and this is a denominator. 6 can go in 6. 6 can also go in 18, right? So I can look at this and I can say 6 here 1, 6 in 18 is 3, right? So if you take a look at the remaining numbers, this is 4 and 9, this is 3. There is no common factor between the numerator and denominator anymore. So that means in that case, I just have to multiply out the new numerators and the new denominators. 4 times 1 is 4 over 9 times 3 is 27. You realize that nothing can divide anymore. So that is the final answer. Let's take a look at another example right here. 1 over 5 times 10 over 28. I will encourage you to pause this video and make an attempt to solve this problem. Alright, go ahead and do that. Alright, let's try to solve this problem right here. 1 over 5 times 10 over 28. You will realize that 5 can divide 5. 5 can also divide 10. So I can say 5 in 5 is 1. 5 in 10 is 2. Alright. If you also take note, 2 is at the numerator right now. 28 is at the denominator. They have a common factor of 2. So that means I have 2 here, 1. 2 in 28, that is 14. Okay, so in that case, what is my final answer? I have 1 remaining here and also 1 right here. So 1 times 1. What will that give me? That will give me 1 divided by 1 times 14. That gives me 14. So that means my final answer is 1 over 14. Alright. Let's take a look at this question, which I will want you to take as your homework. Go ahead and try to solve this problem and put your answer in the comment section below. We will take a look and let you know if you got the answer right or wrong. Alright, if you are new on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell to turn on your notification so you don't miss any of our videos. See you in the next class.